Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to play in the practice range for Marvel Rivals, or how to just go into the practice range. And let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is just go over to play, and then from here you can see over try competitive it will say practice, and even if it doesn't say try competitive it will still say practice above quick match. You can go ahead and just hit practice, and then do not click on do match. You want to go over to practice range, and then that is basically it. Now you will be able to enter the practice range. You will be able to choose any character you want. And yeah, that is basically it. So, you can use any character you want. Just head into the practice range. And yeah, so now you have access to the practice range. And if you want to leave the practice range, just hit escape on your keyboard and just hit leave game. Do not hit exit the desktop. Just hit leave game. And then now you will be back into the real lobby. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.